Let's learn more about a food ingredient that should have a permanent place in your kitchen. Olive oil. Praised for being a healthy fat, olive oil is not just for dressing salads or adding a finishing touch to dishes. It's a culinary chameleon that's breaking new ground, even in the world of coffee, making it a top choice for culinary enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. Let's embark on a journey to uncover how olive oil is crafted. It all starts with harvesting olives from the olive tree at just the right moment, followed by cleaning and the removal of stems and leaves. The journey from there splits into various paths. Olive oil is extracted by pressing or crushing olives. Depending on the desired quality and type, it can be extracted through mechanical methods or chemical processing. In chemical processing, the oil is refined using heat, chemicals, or both to adjust its taste, color, and other properties. Then, it's treated with an alkaline solution, degumming, bleaching, and deodorization. The alternative to chemical processing is the traditional method of cold pressing, which preserves the oil's natural flavors and health-promoting properties. This method is as simple as it sounds. No heat, no chemicals, just pressure. To understand which method and type of olive oil is best for your needs, we'll break down the 5 types of olive oil you are likely to encounter. First up, pomace olive oil. Pomace olive oil is extracted from the pulp and pits left over after the initial pressing of olives. It undergoes extensive refining and is considered the lowest grade of olive oil, lacking flavor and health benefits. Next up, light olive oil. The term light refers to the oil's light flavor and color rather than its nutritional content. Light olive oil is not lower in calories or fat than other olive oils. It too is a refined olive oil that has been heavily processed to remove impurities and flavors. Light and extra light olive oil are often used in recipes where a mild taste is desired or for baking. Pure olive oil. Pure olive oil is a blend of extra virgin and refined olive oil. Refined olive oil is obtained by refining virgin olive oil using mechanical and chemical processes, reducing the distinct flavors and health benefits. This brings us to virgin and extra virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oils are obtained through the cold pressing process. While both are minimally processed, the differences lie primarily in flavor. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality and most flavorful type. It has a low acidity level, below 0.8%, and retains the natural flavors, aroma, and antioxidants. Virgin olive oil has slightly higher acidity, up to 2%, and has a milder flavor. Extra virgin olive oil shines as the star, boasting an abundance of health benefits, so much so that health enthusiasts have been known to take it by the tablespoon. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, it's been linked to reduced blood pressure, improved heart health, and enhanced insulin sensitivity. It may even be the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet's success. These benefits stem from its minimal processing, retaining the olive's most beneficial compounds. So, if these health benefits of extra virgin olive oil come from its cold-pressed minimal processing, when we cook with olive oil, are we processing away the health benefits? Thankfully, research reveals that extra virgin olive oil maintains its stability and health properties even when heated, making it safe for various cooking methods without compromising its health benefits. High-quality extra virgin olive oil, found in dark bottles, can be used for cooking at moderate temperatures without sacrificing its nutritional value or introducing harmful compounds. While the thought of olive oil in your coffee might be a step too far for some, the versatility of this oil is undeniable. With the newfound knowledge of its stability and health advantages, consider integrating extra virgin olive oil into a broader spectrum of your cooking practices. With all this in mind, it's clear why olive oil, especially extra virgin, is deserving of its revered status in the culinary world. It's a multifaceted ingredient that enhances flavor and enriches health. Thank you for joining us on this oily journey. If you're keen to learn more and transform your cooking and health, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more food wisdom.